This is one of my favorite features in Magical, a new feature that I want to give you a quick walkthrough of how to set it up and how to use it effectively. We call it Notes Template. And the idea around it is that every time someone schedules a meeting with you, you can find the perfect note either to share or to use privately to yourself. Let's see how it works. So when you click on Share Times, you can either see your existing templates. This is your multi-use scheduling links, and you can create a new template or share specific times. So now, in order to demonstrate the power of no templates, let's use one of our existing templates, which is at feedback call with members. So I use this template a lot to hear from you guys what do you want to see in Magical, and I schedule a meeting through this page, but I always wish that I can share more than just time slots. I always wish that I can share some context before the meeting, some resources about myself, maybe a Loom introduction video when people can see what is the context of this meeting and to get some information before they meet with me in real time. So now you can actually do that. So once you just put all the information of this meeting here, you can go directly to Notes. Inside of Notes, now you have like a space. Let me just erase this one. Now you have a space to write private notes and share notes as well. So let's go directly to share notes. I put it, this is my template, but let's just delete everything and use our Agenda AI with Command K to just let our AI assistant to write something for you. So you can click enter right away and it will prompt an agenda to start from, or you can give more context to our AI. For example, this is a feedback call, feedback call with members about our platform and their experience. Okay. You can also write down the goal of this meeting. If you want to get more specific, you can write the outcome or how do you see a successful meeting. So let's use this prompt and let's see what happens. So you can see it starts writing meeting context, feedback with members about the platform, The meeting started with a warm welcome. Okay, nice. It kind of gives me a real workflow for this meeting, but I actually want to use it for my private notes. So let's put it here. In here, I'll probably put agenda. What's going on with me today? Agenda for feedback call about Magical app. That's from this one, agenda with E. Okay, feedback call. AI understands me even if I write wrong English. That's great. Great. So now we have both the agenda that I can share, and I have a call script that I can use. So if I want to add questions for this call, this is a perfect space to add all your thoughts and all your private questions that you want to ask someone and you don't want to share. And this shared space is everything that you want to share before the meeting. We're going to introduce some cool stuff like embeds. So imagine you can add a Loom video or a Spotify playlist or a YouTube TED Talk, anything that you want, you can add to this space and share it with other people. Now let's update the template and let's watch the magic in action. So now I open up the invitation and you can imagine that you send it to a guest, and now the guest can see the time slots alongside his or her calendar and select the perfect time. So you can really fly through your availability with this new invitation design. So let's select this slot, confirm, schedule. And now immediately after I schedule, you can see the notes that are attached to this meeting. So now the guest can also watch either content, read either content that I left here in the scheduling link. But here is when it gets interesting, because when you go to Magical and you find this meeting that you just scheduled, you can see that now Magical will show you the private notes for this meeting and the share notes. So you can quickly customize it. You can quickly add whatever you want, or to customize the shared agenda that you just shared, or add questions for this meeting specifically. So if you want to add information about this person or any link that you don't want to forget to talk about during the meeting, you can do it in the private space. And if you want to just add more agenda items or add questions that you want the other person to see, you can add it in the shared space. Also, what is very powerful is to record the meeting and let our AI summarize it. So once you let our AI summarize it, all the notes will be kept in the private section, and you can quickly transfer them into the share section to share it with everyone, or to share it via Notion or send an email. So now that I close this dialog, you can see that all of my notes, both shared and private, will be synced seamlessly with Notion as well, a part of this workflow. That's it. Let us know what do you think. Let us know what you like, what you don't like, and we're here for you, make you more productive, more focused during your work, and see you next time. Bye-bye.